Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to be demonstrating how to use the Detailer's cord snaps. Hello everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and clicking that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So in today's video, we are going to be demonstrating how to use the new Detailer's cord snaps. Now these are designed and made by Tony Ralda of Ralda's Details. Now he's designed these to do something that actually a lot of mobile detailers kind of run into problems with, and that is when you are using your polisher mostly for applying waxes and sealants. Not so much paint corrections because you're putting the polisher down so many times, but if you're going to be waxing or protecting the vehicle with your polisher using a nice foam pad like this, then you're going to be basically working around the vehicle kind of non-stop, perhaps for the next half hour or so. And usually as detailers we know, we throw the cord over your shoulder. Now, sometimes when that happens, the cord can slip off. That can be annoying because then it hits the paint or it just slips off, hits your arm, and you're kind of awkwardly trying to keep the cord off the paint or maneuverable or manageable as you're using your polisher. Now, the way that I apply wax, if you want to check out the video up here, is I use my DA polisher. So this is my old Porter cable, and it's been a faithful machine and I love it. And basically I use it for applying our waxes and sealants. So I have a nice soft foam pad here that I use. And you know, one of my go-to waxes right now that I'm using is Meguiar's D301. So if you want links to these products, the polisher, the pads, the wax, I'll put them down below. And also check out our website here, because that goes to a dedicated page with products and tools that we use on a daily basis, and you can simply click on those large pictures and it leads you directly to Amazon so you can buy those products easily. So with that being said, what these cord snaps do is pretty simple. They will clip on to your polisher cord, and then the other one will clip on to your belt. Now these will come in packs of 2. You get both of these, and the Velcro ends here come apart like so, and they can fit pretty much any extension cord that you're going to be using. Of course, you know, you're dealing with extension cords like this, and you know, they're not super thick. You're not having to deal with heavy cords, but if you do, you know, then you can adjust the size accordingly. So I have one here on my extension cord that I use, and I have installed one of the locking, it's called the Stay Plugged Extension Cord Repair. And when you have your polisher cord like this to my Porter cable and you lock it in, you press the button, locks in. That's important when you are polishing because you don't want the cord to be slipping out, and as you are working around the vehicle, all of a sudden the polisher stops working. It's because your cord came unplugged. So getting this right here, this is awesome for mobile detailers because you're using extension cords a lot. So you need something that, one, will repair your extension cord ends because they do take a beating, and one that will also last a long time and keep the cord plugged in. So as you see here, I have my extension cord and I already have attached one of the cord snaps. So I have it kind of loose here. I knotted it here so that it doesn't slide down the extension cord, because then you'll end up chasing it. So just a little tip, just make a little knot here, or if you have a little stopper that you want to put here and you don't like to knot your extension cords, that's up to you. I'm fine with doing this, that way it stays there. Then here's what we'll do. We're going to demonstrate how you attach this to your belt. So here, just for demonstration purposes, I don't have my detailer's belt on, which I usually attach it to. I just have my regular leather belt, but it will chomp right down on that belt and keep your cord right at your hip. So you can easily hold it right here and it's not going to go slipping anywhere. So if your belt is too thick or something like that, then you can simply clip it onto your pants. It bites right down, you're good to go. Now you have a couple of different options. You can put it on there. You can put it on your belt loop as well. It stays right there, bites down right on it, not going anywhere. The Velcro is nice and secure. That's not going anywhere. And he designed it so that the soft part of the Velcro is exposed here. So it's nice and soft, and that way it's not going to be snagging on your clothes. You can simply put your jacket or sweater or shirt, whatever it is, right over it. Not a problem, no snagging whatsoever. So now your cord is right at your disposal right here. So then all you need to do is plug in your polisher cord, like so. Stay plugged, good to go. Now it's not going to go anywhere, it's not going to drop on the floor and get wet and dirty, and you don't have any risk of water getting on this or mud or anything like that. So again, for mobile detailers, that's what it's designed for. Clips on to belts or pants, whatever you need, even the end of the shirt, or if you have an apron, or you have the detailer's helper belt or anything like that, it attaches right onto there securely. Now, you can see the little clip itself, when it bites down, it is very secure. So it bites right down, and you have the little teeth there, so it's not going anywhere. The construction of it is very simple, yet very strong and durable. All right, now for the other end that goes onto your polisher, let me show you how we attach the cord snaps onto the cord. So here we have the cord snap. I'm going to remove it. So now you have the Velcro here. And all you need to do is just attach it loosely, like so. So it's going to be able to go up and down the cord with no problem at all. So let me show you that up close. So now you have the Velcro end attached. And as you can see, it's just a very loose, open loop. But again, it's not going anywhere. The Velcro attaches itself very securely. And now this part is going to go on the top of your shirt or sweater or jacket or whatever to keep the cord securely over your shoulder, and it goes behind your back. So let's show you that. All right, guys, so we're going to be demonstrating how we use the cord snaps in conjunction with the polisher. So you already saw how we attached it to the belt portion here. So that is out of the way, and if you want, in fact, I'm going to position it pretty much behind my back here. All right, guys, so as you can see, I had it attached up here, but you can actually put it closer behind your back here so the cord doesn't interfere with the paint. So that's what I did. I attached it to the belt part here in the back. So I haven't attached this one yet, but let's show you how we do that. All right, so now we're going to show you how you attach the cord snap here, and I'm going to attach it to the inside of my shirt. You can do it to the hoodie, whatever the case is, but this kind of keeps it up there and secure. And now the cord is going to slide through it pretty easily. So that way you can have the cord adjusting as you need, and it's going behind your back. So now I'm just going to apply a little bit of wax to my soft pad here and basically just show you what it would look like when using the detailer's cord snaps. All right, guys, as easy as that. You've seen me apply wax before on vehicles, but this really does make it so much easier. So I just keep the cord snaps attached to my polisher cord, attached to my extension cord here, and when I set everything up, basically I don't have to worry about a cord that could be hitting the paint, could be getting stuck somewhere. If it gets stuck under the tires, then you can use your detail guards to protect that, and the cord will easily go around that. But you know, if you're using extension cords, you're going to have this kind of a big bundle here, and of course you can knot it around and do all that to kind of keep it attached, but this is so much more efficient. And really, it's kind of safer for you anyway because you're not dragging this around on the floor or anything like that, or on the ground. So definitely check that out, guys. The new Detailer cord snaps. And easy to remove. You just unclip them. They remove easily. You can unclip them from your belts. You can unclip the cord here, which I do, unclip it from the belt. No problem. You can hang this wherever you need to. And it works so well. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed the little demonstration of the new Detailer's cord snaps. So definitely check these out. I have them on our shop. You can actually click up here. It goes directly to the online store where you can actually purchase apparel like the hoodies we have, tons of different t-shirts, and now we have the Detailer cord snaps. So definitely grab a pair for your business. If you are a mobile detailer and that's something that you might benefit from, is using these nifty little cord holders to basically keep the cord off the paint, making things more efficient for you, then definitely give them a try. So if you have any questions or comments, put them down below or contact me. I have my information down there as well. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, like it, share with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.